Hi, I am Babita, Assistant Professor, Jain University Center for Management Studies. Quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude is one of the most critical components of campus placement test. Recruiters use this section to assess a candidate's numerical ability, logical approach, and problem solving skills under time pressure. Four important topics often covered in aptitude test are number system, algebra, percentages, and probability. Mastery over these concepts improves the chances of clearing the first round in most corporate hiring processes. Number systems. Now, I'll explain about a number system. Number system involve understanding different types of numbers and their properties. This includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational and irrational numbers, factors, multiples, prime numbers, and divisibility rules. Number systems form the backbone of quantitative aptitude. They appear frequently in campus recruitment tests across industries including IT, consulting, banking, and analytics. This topic assesses a candidate's understanding of basic mathematics including divisibility, number types, and patterns. A strong command over number systems improves both accuracy and speed during competitive exams. Divisibility rules. Divisibility rules are quick shortcuts that help determine whether a number can be divided evenly by another without performing full division. For example, a number is divisible by 2 if it ends in an even digits like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. A number is divisible by 4 if its last two digits form a number divisible by 4 and by 6. If it is divisible by both 2 and 3, for 9 the digit must add up to the multiple of 9 and for 10, the number must end in 0. These rules make it easier to check divisibility quickly, especially when solving problems in arithmetic, number theory, or aptitude test. Find a reminder when 129 is divided by 5. Here, 129 divided by 5 gives 25 as the quotient and 4 as the remainder. So, the answer is 45 goes into 29 divided by 25 times. Since 5 into 25 is 125. The remainder is what's left after subtracting 125 from 129. 129 minus 125 is equal to 4. So yes, the quotient is 25 and the remainder is 5. Example 1. How many numbers between 1 and 100 are divisible by both 2 and 3? The least common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. So, numbers divisible by 6 between 1 and 100 are 6, 12, 18, 96. This is an arithmetic progression where the first term is 6 and the common difference is 6. There is a arithmetic sequence where first term is A is equal to 6, last term L is equal to 96, common difference D is equal to 6. Use the formula for the number of terms in an arithmetic sequence. N is equal to L minus A into D plus 1 is equal to 16. Algebra. Algebra deals with expressions, equations, identities, and word problems that involve unknown values. It requires understanding how to manipulate variables and apply formulae like the square of the binomial, the difference of squares, and solving linear and quadratic equations. These are mathematical phrases that contain variables, numbers, and algebraic operations. For example, 3x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. In such expressions, x is a variable, 3 is the coefficient, and 5 is the constant term. Example 1. Solve for x, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. So factors are x minus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x equals to 2 or 3. Example 2. If a plus b is equal to 21 and ab is equal to 21, find a square plus b square. A square plus b square is equal to a plus b into 2 minus 2ab. A plus b into ab is equal to 100. So a plus b into 2 is equal to 100. How it is? 10 into 2 is 100. 2ab is equal to 2 into 2, 21, which is equal to 42. Therefore, a square plus b square is equal to 100 minus 42, which is equal to 58. Example 3. A number increased by 5 is equal to 3 times the number minus 7. X plus 5 is equal to 3x minus 7. X is equal to 6. The next concept, percentages. Percentages are widely used in business and finance related aptitude test. Understanding how to calculate increases, decreases and percentages comparison is essential, like profit and loss calculations, discounts and markups, interest rates, simple and compound, data interpretation, graphs, pie charts, to convert percentages to a fraction, divide by 100. Example, 40% equals 40 divided by 100, which is equals to 2 by 5, which is 40 divided by 100 is equal to 2 by 5. Percentage increase and decrease. Example, if a salary increases from 20,000 to 24,000, increase equals 4,000, which is increase is equal to new salary minus original salary, that is equal to 24,000 minus 20,000 is equal to 4,000. Percentage increase is equal to 4,000 divided by 20,000 into 100, where it is equal to 20%. Example 2. A product price increases from 200 to 250. What is the percentage increase? 250 minus 200 is 50. 50 by 200 into 100 is 25%. If a student scores 18 marks out of 20 in a test, what is the percentage? 18 divided by 20 into 100. So that is equal to 90%. The next concept is probability. Probability measures the chance of an event occurring. It is calculated as the number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of possible outcomes. Most recruitment tests include basic probability questions involving coins, dice, cards, or simple events. The formula is given mathematically like this: P of E is equal to F of E divided by T of E. Example 1. What is the probability of getting an even number when a die is rolled? Once when a die is rolled, what is the outcome? So, when dice is rolled, the total outcome will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is totally 6 outcomes. The even numbers occurs when the dice get the results as 2, 4, 6. So favorable outcome will be 3. Therefore, when we apply into the formula, it will become 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. A card is drawn from a standard deck of 52 cards. What is the probability that a king in a standard deck of 52 playing cards, there are only 4 kings? So according to that, we know that there are totally 52 cards and we get 4 kings out of all the cards. So the total outcome will be 52 and favorable outcome will be 4. So when we apply the formula, we get 4 divided by 52, which is equal to 4 by 52. To master quantitative aptitude practice is essential. Solving a variety of problems builds confidence and speed. Time management during test is just as important as accuracy. Candidates should begin with strong conceptual clarity and then gradually work on shortcuts and speed enhancing strategies. Each topic, whether it is number systems, algebra, percentages or probability, forms a foundational skill valued not only in aptitude test but also in the real world problem solving across industries. Thank you.